The ketogenic diet, often referred to as the keto diet, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat eating plan that has gained popularity for its potential benefits in weight loss, increased energy levels, and improved mental focus. The primary goal of the keto diet is to induce a metabolic state called ketosis, where your body primarily burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Here's a general overview of how to start a keto diet. Understand the macronutrient ratios. The standard ketogenic diet typically involves consuming about 75% of your daily calories from fat, 20% from protein, and only 5% from carbohydrates. These percentages may vary slightly depending on individual needs and specific variations of the keto diet. Limit carbohydrate intake. To enter ketosis, it's crucial to restrict your carbohydrate intake to a very low level, usually around 20 to 50 grams per day. This means avoiding starchy foods, grains, sugars, and most fruits. Instead, focus on consuming non-starchy vegetables, such as leafy greens, and small amounts of low-carb fruits like berries. Prioritize healthy fats. Since fats make up a significant portion of your daily calories, it's important to choose healthy sources. Include foods like avocados, nuts and seeds, olive oil, coconut oil, grass-fed butter, and fatty fish in your diet. Moderate protein intake. Protein is an essential macronutrient, but excessive intake can hinder ketosis. Consume moderate amounts of high-quality protein sources, such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and plant-based options like tofu and tempeh. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is important on any diet. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your overall health and well-being. Monitor ketone levels. You can measure your ketone levels using urine strips, blood tests, or breath analyzers to ensure you're in ketosis. However, it's not necessary for everyone to track ketones. Be mindful of electrolytes. When you restrict carbohydrates, your body excretes more water and electrolytes, which can lead to imbalances. Ensure an adequate intake of sodium, potassium, and magnesium through food sources or supplements. Give yourself time to adjust. When starting a keto diet, your body may need some time to adapt to using fat as its primary fuel source. During this transition, you may experience symptoms like fatigue, irritability, and brain fog, commonly referred to as the keto flu. These usually subside within a few days to a couple of weeks. Before starting any diet, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to ensure it aligns with your specific needs and health condition.